Alright. So let's see here. There. Maybe not. I don't know. It's supposed to be live right now. I don't know if it is or not, but does not appear to be. It's weird, I thought I clicked live. I'm like, we can record or what? No, it's streaming. Let's see if it's on X right now. Weird. I mean, I am in the middle of a severe weather thing, so. Yeah, that's working. Alright, cool. So that's one thing right there. Alright, we're gonna see how long that stream is, because that seems like a long time. So I'm gonna go like this: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. There we are. So it's at least 10 seconds. And I was going slow, probably between a 10 to 15 second delay. Pretty long, but yeah, we've got all kinds of weather problems going on here, so. But yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna trade the Asian session today, which is something I don't normally do, but my schedule at work is changing. It looks like I'm gonna be Monday through Friday. I've got a month where I'll be working nights, or I won't be able to trade the Asian session. But after that, so I got a week left of this where I can trade it. Then I'll be a month where I won't be able to trade it. Then I'll be back on days again. But it'll be a funky schedule, like 2, 2, 3 kind of thing, and then flipped on the next week. So 2 on, 2 off, 3 on, and then 2 off, 2 on, 3 off, every 2-week cycle like that, until the school year starts again. In which case, then I'll go back to Monday through Friday, essentially, 7:30 to whatever 4. So all that to say, I am going to have to get used to trading the Asian session, because I'll be at work during the other times, 90% of the time. So it is what it is. That's not the end of the world. If this doesn't work out well, what I'll have to do is basically go to bed super early so that I can wake up super early and start trading the London session before I go to work. That's my plan B if this does not work. So in the meantime, so that opens up, we've got about an hour and 19 minutes until that session opens. So in the meantime, we're gonna play a little bit of GeoGuessr here, or see if there's anything else to play after, maybe something afterward or whatever. But for now, that's what we're playing. We're going against Natio. Okay, what do we got? CN trains. This is actually a lot harder than I thought it would be. There's time. I don't know where we're at. I need to find something with like road, like signs. I need to be able to read something. Looks like the license plate looked long to me. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is, what's that say? Raja. So this is Russia somewhere, but where in Russia? Because Russia's like the biggest continent on Earth here. Or country. Let's see if there's anywhere where we can see some writing. Okay, it's green. It's not tropical, so it's not going to be like in the southernmost part of Russia. Dude probably already guessed, right? Come on, show me something here. What do we got? More of this. What does this say? Oh, they're going to have... This says... Alright, screw it. Let's just choose something at least here. We'll say somewhere like here, I guess. Not far. Oh, it's over in Ukraine. Okay, so this wasn't Russia. Interesting. Ukrainian and Russian are really similar. It's different languages, but remarkably similar. Okay, what is this here? What do we got? Let's have a look at this sign. Can't really read it. What is this? Israel? That looks... I'm gonna guess this is Israel. So far, that's my thoughts. Look at this. It sure as hell looks like it to me. Right? I don't... It could be like Kuwait or Saudi Arabia or something. I don't know. I'd like to see a sign in English as well. What do we got? Come on, somebody. Let's see. What is this? Oh man, look at that. What is it? This could be like... Where is this? It's Middle East somewhere, right? Let's go on and put something here for now. I'm gonna stay over here, although I don't think so. I think it's probably more like over here somewhere. Script. I was right. Oh wait, is that? Yeah, that was super close. Nice. That worked out well. Okay, what is this? Hey, dude. Alright. Right by a sign. That's useful. What do we got? Well, let's see. Interesting. Where have I... Is that Italy or what? I don't think so. I think it's like Poland or something, right? This guy's stuck there. Yeah, this is gonna be some kind of like Poland or something like that. I'm almost certain it's Poland. It's good looking over there. Warsaw. It's real green here. Let's go with this area down here. Golly, they don't give you much time, do they? Germany. I might actually win this time. So far I've played one round of this before. Where is this at? Okay, so far I'm thinking. South America somewhere. Yeah, it is. Look, that's Spanish. Right? Yeah. Yeah, this is either Spain or somewhere in South America. And I am going to guess, like, I don't think it's Mexico necessarily. I think it's... Damn it, I'm gonna run out of time. I gotta figure out something here. Give me something, guys. What do we got? Oh, is this Brazil? Is that what? We're gonna do that. We're gonna say that. Maybe up here. Let's go somewhere up here. Bolivia. So far, so good. What do we got going on? What is this? A super thrifty way to tell more people about skinny. What is this? This is actually in... No, it's not, because you drive on the left. Blue Bridge, city entrance. Where the hell is this at? Let's go get some more. It's English, but you drive on the left. I feel like that had some information on it. I could be wrong, and I am. Big Chill distribution. Yeah, this is absolutely... So far, I'm thinking somewhere... You're not gonna... Freight vehicles. Is this like London or something? Somewhere in Europe over here, right? Let's go over here somewhere. Oh, we were both so wrong. What the hell? New Zealand? Who would have guessed New Zealand? Alright, let's try another here. What's this over here? Let's get some information here. Oh, it's a gas station. So far, I'm thinking, I don't know. These are long, so yeah, I'm thinking Italy or something. This could be Italy. Let's get some information. Something. Come on, guys. Wait, were those police cars? Well, let's see, yeah. Spain? No. What's the... Go back, come on. You're screwing me, computer. SK, where the hell is SK? Oh, Shiza. That's gonna be South America. Hungary, huh? I would not have guessed that. Well, I clearly... What is this? She's wearing a headdress though. This is what... Huh, interesting. This is India, I would have guessed. It's like what it seems like it'll be, but there's no telling, man. Get me through here, come on. Give me just some signs, I need to see something. Oh god, I have no clue. Oh, wow. Dude, we both guessed the same crap. Like this guy, I could see why he thought that. I mean, I did too. Look how close we both were. Wow, this is war-torn Tel Aviv. Visit scenic Saudi Arabia. Holy crap, man. Where is this? This is gonna be hard to see. What did that say on there? That might be a good... Where'd the car go? There was literally just a car here. Okay, never mind, screw that. Let's find the sign of some kind here. There's gotta be something, right? What is this? Dude, I have no clue on this one. No idea. Oh, good job, man. I was right. I said Tel Aviv right here. I was literally joking. That was right there. Should have just gone with my gut. How did he win? Holy crap, he won? I was doing so good all up until that last little bit there, right? Okay, well, let's try again. Eventually, someday, I'll finish better than dead last. Oh my god. Thought I was good at this. Great, look at the outfit she's wearing. That's not all stock shit there. That's like... What is this? Australia? Oh my god. How the hell would anyone know? If anything, like over on this coast, maybe somewhere. I don't think so. My will is... It's over now. I don't think this is gonna be that. It might be. That was South Africa, huh? Alright. Where is that? Ah, what is that flag? Go. Bolivia. I should have gone Bolivia, maybe. Barely. I was close. I made it, but barely. What time is it? It's 5. Well, 1:45. Okay, this is gonna be Taiwan or something, right? Let's get up here. Let's see something. See something we're seeing. What? That was weird. Okay, it changed. Weird, okay. What is could be Japan, China. Let's see what else we got. Anything, come on. Nothing. Dude, I don't know if I should go China. Let's just go like right here or something. Although I think it's probably, yeah, down here is closer. Dude, we're so close. That means I'm still winning, right? Are we supposed to lose points or gain them? Because this last time, man, I was like, okay, Banya, Sayuna, something like that. Aquarium. So this is probably Russia somewhere. What's the vegetation like? Dude, this is gonna be a little tricky. Let's get over there. Come on. What is this? Come on. Show me where that. I can't see. It's not Moscow, man. What is that? Somewhere down here. I don't know. Yeah, I was thinking it's like it's a Russian place, but it's nowhere near as, you know, wealthy as Moscow area. I knew I should have gone further somewhere else. And based on the, oops, didn't want to do that. I wanted to get closer to see this. Okay. I guess I'm not allowed to see that. What do we got here? Tim Glass Design. Okay, we're somewhere in Europe because of those license plates are all that long cut, right? Or is this? And they're all parked on the wrong side of the road. Yes, clearly European. Some kind. Golly, man. I mean, there's nothing to tell you, like. More, yeah, this is wow. I won! Holy crap, I won one. I don't believe it. I'm number 14! I don't know what this means. Win streak? I'm on fire. A win streak of 1. Urban Bridge. 7 from Norway. Jeez. exploding. Oh, maybe those are feet. I don't know. Savannah Suites, Unity. This is English. What do we got? Western Union. Is this in America? No, it could be. Those plates. I think this might be America. No, it's not. Right? Come on, I need something. What do we got? Samvik? Shit, I don't know. I don't think. Dude, I don't know. Africa? Who in the world would have thought? What the hell? Nigeria? Okay. I don't feel bad. Neither of us were even remotely close on that one. Toward the city. Clinica Rodriguez. Something. Go. Come on, get down here. Let's see something. Give me a sign of something. What do we got? I need some names or something here. Or a sign saying go this way. I'm gonna go with Mexico City. Fuck it. That's what I think it is. I think it's down here. Maybe. I don't think it's Tijuana. Yeah, let's go Mexico City. Screw it. Damn. The hell is that? This looks like maybe Germany or something. Let's get going. We need to see more. Okay, what is this? Where is this going? Nothing still. God, I don't know. That's definitely. Let's go. France somewhere. What is this? Russia of some kind? Let's see. It's hard to say. What's that on the bus over there? Come on, where do I even go? Can I like get to a road or something? If that's the only way to go, it can get me there. Let's get away from this so I can see something. Dude, for real, I had to go over here. I can go around this thing and that's it. Because I can't see shit. Who knows? This could be anywhere. Like, okay. Fuck. Oh, I thought she was. It looks like she's closer than me. Maybe I'm not understanding how to play this game. Frabaki. Yeah, I think we're at the same kind of thing as I just said. Okay, there's some signs. Or some buildings at least. Signs of civilization. I don't know enough about nature to tell you what trees grow where. So we need that. We need civilization. And by the judges, these cars. Golly, dude, I don't know. Again, I think it's gonna be somewhere way up here. Maybe like Finland or Sweden. Where's Switzerland? Could be there. I'm thinking somewhere over here. Yeah. Probably should do a little more investigating, but so be it. Iceland. Okay, what do we got here? This is France so far, maybe? Yeah, up in France. But where? Italy. Okay, I think it's Italy. Further south than Italy, probably, but I'm wrong. Where was that? I was right the first time. France. I should have just stuck with it. It looked like it had the French. Oh dear. I always hate these ones. I can't. They're all the same to me. You know what I mean? It's so hard to find out. Well, shit. I don't see anything. Wait, there was writing there. What was that? Come on. Go back. Really? Seriously? Already? I don't know, man. Why only 13? That's weird. Huh. I don't know what causes a nursery. The Orchard Nursery. This is all in English. Okay. Cars are on the wrong side of the road. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Get me up here, let's see some more stuff. Co-UK. I should have stayed up in the northern side. Oh well. Boom! I'm on fire! Never seen a dog run over faster. You like Munster cheese, Charlie? A little too much, perhaps? Actually catch it this time. You ready? Catch. Good boy. I got a new badge. Bunch of new badges. Alright. Lucky 13. We now have 54 minutes until the market opens. Oh, nice. Indeed, what the hell is that? Student Center. What is this though? Euro. So this is Euro something. I don't know, something like that maybe. Where are we going next? This is absolutely not helpful. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh, I hate how it does this. .com. So what is this, Mexico? Does not look like Mexico, does it? They're driving on the right side of the road. Is this America somewhere? No. Bulgaria. Just, yeah, let's go down here. All right, Charlie, last piece. Catch. Huh. 100-year history. Touche. That big archipelago. We must have both seen the same sign. Nigeria. Close. Tricky. What is this? Where are we at? Let's at least look at the stop sign. Normal, and it says stop. Where the hell is this at? Tijuana or something? I don't know what. And there's literally nothing. Good lord, man. There's nothing to help you figure it out. There's some pine. Okay, not pine trees. Palm trees, I mean. Oh wait, there was a sign. What do we have? Anything, please help. Because I'll be honest. Jacana? That is not helpful. What is this, Africa somewhere? I mean, I don't know what the hell this is, man. And there's like literally nothing to help with this. Time's not going off. I think the time doesn't go off up until they guess something, and then the time starts. So neither of us have any clue where this is. And you don't want to just do a wild guess. I'm going way out of town here. This isn't helping at all. Let's see what these people are doing. What is this, a dead end? Oh my god, I'm having rough luck on this. Let's get up. They guessed. Malhala and Goza. I'm gonna guess somewhere in Africa. Boom! .no. Boom. About 45 minutes. One of my favorite numbers, 11. All right, let's keep this streak alive, people. That was a good battle. Mary Peninsula from Poland. Ooh. Okay. God, there's stuff everywhere. I need something with lemon. So far I'm guessing like Southeast Asia, Thailand, something along those lines. What do we got here? City Burger. This seems to be somewhat of a touristy area. There's ads and stuff everywhere. QR code. Let's see. Takeout. Okay, let's just go with it. Let's go down here somewhere. Indonesia, Malaysia. Let's go like right here. God, she got excellent. Oh my lord, this is like gonna be really hard now. Dang it, man. Okay, do I see anything useful at the moment? Not so far. Actually, what's this? UL. So that's something useful there. Let's go over to the city here. See if we can't find a way to get over there fast. Because this person is good who I'm playing against. Okay, let's see what we got on these. Billboard EU. Okay, so this is part of the European Union, maybe. Come on, give me something. What is this? City Park, Rovinka. Visit scenic Rovinka. Maybe it is Russian. I don't think it's Russian. None of them makes sense. It's definitely not Russian. No. Oh my god. I hate when it does that. Get out of the way. Okay, now it's level playing field again. Whew. All right, what do we got? Okay, come on, give me some info. Let's do it. What do we got? What's that saying up there? Boost flow. Okay, come on, let's go this way. Over here to this business. Looks like this is a good spot for good info. What we got here? Damn, dude, what is this place? Where are we? Come on, let's get on down there. Come on, let's go. I want to get to the end of this road. Restaurant. OD, no. Driving on the left side? Shit, I have no clue, man. Oh god, I have no idea. No. Wow, you have to guess. I mean, you have to guess something. Okay, lesson learned. Really hard way there. Good lord, that's bad. This one seems like it's gonna be like Germany or something to me. Oh, yeah, this is definitely like Denmark, Germany, Belgium, something like that, right? So, .tv, let's see, let's keep going. What's this stuff over here? It's not Greek, right? That's a Greek. Yeah, this is Germany. That's like German or Greek, I believe. So, absolutely, this is gonna be. Could be Austria, something along those lines. Let's go with, like, I don't think it's Berlin. I guess maybe it could be. Should I go there? It's Berlin or Austria. I'm going Berlin. Yeah. Oh, she's down to 11. I wanted to win right there because this one. Oh my god, not good. What kind of. Oh man. Alright. India. So far I'm thinking India, maybe like Tibet or something. Good lord. Okay. It's got like an Asian flair to the architecture. We got mountains in the background. What's written on the card? Anything? No? I can't see that. It's gonna be, I don't know what the hell is going on there. Get me to something with text on it. Club Ace. In English, huh? This person has a guess already? You sack of crap, man. Okay, let's go somewhere in here. Ah, man. That was a close one. That one was stressful, I'll be honest. That one kind of stressed me out a little. I wish I could type like GG or something, you know what I mean? They did a good job. Okay, we got a little less than 40 minutes. No, Charlie, there's no more food, okay? No more Munster cheese for you. You shouldn't be eating a bunch of cheese anyway. Alright. Why is my streak at 0? That's like the 4th one in a row I've won. Okay, Jingming Road. This is clearly... Is this China? Well, let's get out here and see. Dude, I don't know. I wondered. I was like, it's one of these cities over here. Kind of more stuff. It's not. It looked more dense and less clean, essentially, than like those. Okay, what is this here? Golly, look at this. Disgusting. Okay, I'm wasting time. I need to get going. Market. Dude, I have no idea. And I don't see anything to like give me a clue either. Wind. I feel like this is South America. Why is it not? Go forward, will you? Here we go. Where the hell is this? Fuse T Lays. Yeah, I feel like this is gonna be South America. Shit. Probably Mexico somewhere. I should have gone with Mexico. Where the hell is this at? That's in Turkey. Weird. I would have never. I mean, who knew? Man, I'm not seeing a lot here. Let's get out to this main road. What's up? Okay. I can almost see it. I can't though. I'm gonna go back a smidge. Okay, now let's see it. Still can't see it. You gotta be kidding me. Okay, what's this say? Parkshin. feel like it's, I don't know, man. It's like a German or something. What do we got here? Dude, he found something. I was right. It's Germany. I should have just gone with that. Damn, that one knocked me down a wall. I feel bad for that one. Like down to 376. I feel bad for him. It's so like heartbreaking, you know, demoralizing. At that point, it's like, well, why try? Is this Japan? Do I have any other reason to think Japan? So far, the only thing I've seen is that. So okay, so this is like Spanish. Yep. Okay, so far, we think it's Spain, we think it's South America. What do we got? Let's get some text here. Here we go. Still no idea. Any ideas? Come on, let's go this way. This is Mexico. It does not look like Mexico though, right? Like look at these trees. That's what's throwing me is, you know, everything else is making me think like it's screaming Mexico, but this is not. Okay, let's do it. Let's go with let's go down here somewhere. Like maybe here, I don't know, maybe somewhere there. Nicaragua probably. Who knows? Damn. Ugh. About 30 more minutes. Okay, what do we got? Walmart Drive, one way. People are driving, it looks like, in the correct area. Open house. So definitely English. Nope, they're driving on the wrong side of the road. What's this? Everything is in English though. But this is Europe, that's their speed limit signs, right? So let's figure out where. Is it Europe? Garden Market. Okay, it's someplace kind of tropical. What do we got here? Drive, looking for a website so we can see, is it .com, is it what do we got? Let's see, weird numbers there. Come on, running out of time. Where's the police center or station? Serangoon Garden. So where the hell is Serangoon Garden? Serangoon. No idea, man. I need something more than the name of the city because Serangoon isn't going to help me here. Good counsel. Serangoon. Clearly this is Serangoon, like Serengeti. What are we talking here? And why is there so much Asian stuff over here? Is this Australia maybe? There's a lot of it. I know that would make sense with a lot of the stuff here. I'm going to guess Australia until I could come up with something better, because there's a very good possibility that I don't think this is Queensland. I think it's less tropical than that. I think it's going to be down here somewhere. So we're going to stay that for now until I find something better. I feel like I'm going away from the information centers. Yeah, I need to go back there. Actually, what's out there? Back this way, over here perhaps. So I can look at all these. Right there, can I go there? Perfect. Is there any way Serangoon is part of a country, right? Is there any chance I could, it's like a city in a country. Can we be proud of the country instead of just the city? Oh my god. Look at this. Tons of Asian stuff here, man. So I don't know. Why all the English? And, this isn't, it's not gonna be the Australia thing like I'm thinking. This is like somewhere Asian. This is gonna be more like man, I don't know, maybe something like, let's look up here, Thailand maybe? Indonesia, I'm gonna guess Indonesia, somewhere in there. Damn it, I don't know. Close, man, that was close. That was a hard one, that was a little bit tricky. Moving on up. Alright, we got about 30 minutes till the market opens here. Wait a minute. Somehow the market is open. What the hell? What time is it? It's 5:30. My bad. I was thinking the Asian session started at 6. Does it not? So that's the range. I mean, we're not out. We haven't broke the range yet anyway, but for here. So they're saying this line, huh? That's quote unquote like the 4 o'clock candle. Let's go. We're on the 3 minutes. Let's go with 1 and see what we got going on. Man, I didn't know that was the case. I didn't know this was open. So silver, can I trade it? Let's see. Oh, because it's on market. I had it on market last. That's why. I was like, why the hell am I not seeing my things here? But we are okay. It's good. And it already did break the orb. Son of a bee. Okay, well, it may be too late on that one. I'm not taking no chances. You know what I'm saying? Okay, what about this one? That's trading 1 contract. This is on a market. Let's go with limit. Okay, we can put that up to like, I don't know. More than that. We need to go higher. Like maybe 8. Okay, and then we can put... That's a 14 tick stop loss there. This one broke and it retested and now it's going up. This may be a good spot on gold. Should I do it? If we break past this, I'll think about it. Oh, I'm not even on the right. Holy crap, I'm not even on my right account. Okay, let me go to... Golly, okay. Let's see. Let me close this out for a second. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna sign in. See the broker list. Trade of 8. Not that one. It's actually... Yep, that one there. Let's go to this website, get the password there, go back to this website, put the password in here, connect the account. Okay, gold's going back down, so maybe it worked out for the better this way. It's not looking, you know, not looking amazing here. Let's go back down to like maybe 8. 36 seems a bit excessive, but whatever. What would I know? I'm just a doctor. Alright. Yeah, 25, that needs to come way back here. Like there. This is too much. I don't want to risk that much. Let's go 4 contracts, maybe. And then I can go with a little bit higher of a stop loss. Honestly, 5 would be better. 5 contracts. This needs to go up to at least 200. I mean, just, you know. Okay, 50. Seems like an awfully tight stop, but that's okay because I'm still working on a buffer and I have an intraday trailing drawdown. Intra-trade, not day, but intra-trade. I hate that. Okay, so that's not, you know. Let's see what we got here. Again, this was like pretty ridiculous here. 20 contracts, put that down. Let's go, I don't know. maybe I need to go a little bit higher contracts and then just probably a little less, more like that. There's no reason to go crazy. We can go lower contracts, and I gotta go base hits. Let's do base hits. You know what I mean? $100. We'll do 100. Okay, nothing major there. I wish I could play this in like a windowed mode, but I basically have to look at one screen or the other. I can't really be looking at both, which is not ideal, obviously. Okay, let's see if it's gonna bounce, because we were over here. Is it gonna bounce, or what we got going on? If I bring this down to 100, that's like right there. That's, you know what I mean? Like, and that's just on 5 contracts. Okay, it's going back down. But are we gonna bounce at the range high, or what are we doing? Yeah, I may not be able to play that game, you know what I mean? Unless you can play it windowed, which I don't think you can, because they're like, if you Google the answers, you'll be banned, you know what I mean? So, I don't know how they would know if you're Googling or not. But, I don't want to risk getting banned, you know? I need a second monitor is what it still needs. That would fix that problem easy. Okay, looks like we're at our little level here where we had a little bit of issue. What's the NASDAQ do on the Asian session? Much of anything? Doesn't look like it. But silver seems to move. Don't believe I can trade them, but silver and gold seem to be kind of... Okay, we're here at this level now. I'd like to see it do this, but I guess it's going to go back down in there. So 32 up to 30, so 32.15. That's middle point? I don't think so. It doesn't make sense. 34, so 32.20 is midpoint. Huh. This is looking promising here. Should I buy it? I don't know, it's kind of a downward trend, but we're above the thing. We got market structure, and we don't really have the candles preceding that we need, but this is a good doji reversal.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. It might go. I've got that stop off though, to be honest. The next candle coming out, if we make it to the next candle, should push us up in the green. I wonder if I should just take the 5, you know what I mean? Yeah, looks like we're gonna make it. I'd like to get at least 10 or something out of it, you know, cover the cost of the push up. One last push up. When do we get any green, I'm going. Here we go.
Order filled.
That was too risky. So I made a little bit, what, 10 bucks on it, something like that, but that's, you know. There, it's going up now, but man, it wasn't looking like it was gonna, so I got out. And I don't feel bad about that. I mean, now I'm starting to feel bad about it. But there we go, moving on up. I don't do too good with like low contract value, long-term swings, guessing what it's going to do. I'm a scalper, man. I want to be a swing trader, but I'm a scalper. It's hard. I do so much better with guessing short price movements, you know, short term. Like less than a minute, you know, you want to be in less than a minute. But that seems to be a little bit riskier because of, I mean, look, if I was sitting this still, should I get in now, or am I chasing at this point and I'll regret it? I mean, you know what I'm saying? Because we're at the top of this range. If we break that, then I guess I'll get back in. But man, I don't want to lose 50 bucks. I just made 10. I don't want to lose 50. You know what I mean? I'd like to see like a decent setup, and I'm just not seeing what I want to see here. What's the oil doing? Yeah, we're kind of at the top here. Is it gonna break that or not? If it's gonna break that and go out of it, if this is like the orb retest and then it goes up, that would be nice, man. Just get in and out. Of course, I can't have any like I've got the trailing drawdown issue, so like I really can't afford any kind of losses. Like, let's go 8 contracts. 10 stop loss, maybe more, maybe like, yeah, 88. Just seems risky. Glad I didn't get in. Like I said, they're trying to make you, this would be a good spot to catch the pullback. How far down do you think it'll go? So far, that's a lower high, so in theory it should go to around here somewhere. I'm gonna put my line right here. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, you know what? Man, I'm sorry, guys. Let me fix this. There you go. Well, anyway, I took some trades. I don't know if you... And I put my line here. I'm guessing that's where this is going to go. I was saying this would be a good place to short it. About here. If you're going to get in, you should. But if we're going to reverse here, then this is just a pullback and we'll go higher. But what I was getting at is, here's a lower... This is a lower high than this one, but it's a higher high than this one. The only thing that throws it all off is that this is a lower low than this one. So you half wonder, will this one be a lower low than that one, or will it be a higher low? You know, by that much. So a measured move from there to there probably be maybe here. This is the first area of interest, and then this is the second. If it breaks past this, we're going to go here and trend down. If it doesn't, it bounces off this or doesn't even reach it in the first place, this is just a light pullback before we go up, which is what I honestly half wonder if that's what's going on. I hope that's what's going on, because that would be the orb breakout, you know, and this would be like a retest, and then we're going to have a little bit before we go up. Although that's a seriously, I'd rather see a stronger move to the upside, but it is what it is. Yeah, see, now we're getting a white candle. I have wonder. All right then. So 234, 232, those kind of ranges there. We'll remember those. So they started at 5. I was wrong. I keep thinking 6, but I forget that it's an hour earlier for me. I was thinking. Okay, now we're going above the VWAP here in the S&P 500. Oil's Look at that, what a beautiful move upward on the oil here. I kind of dig it, man. That's the kind of price action I need. With I could go super low units, real low risk, you know, like, you know what, 20 bucks, 5 units. Let's go like let's risk 50. I don't even need to risk that much. Well, yeah, we could go there. If we get any kind of little pullback, I'll probably enter there. And then you could set your take profit up higher. I mean, it doesn't really matter because you're probably going to exit this way anyway. But you know what I'm saying? Look at this. I think we might get a little bit of pullback and then go up there. I really like oil on this one, man. Lately I've been thinking oil is the way to go. It's just, especially for prop firms. I mean, I could go super higher here. You know, let's do 8. Gold is moving up like I thought. Damn it, man. It's breaking over that, so should I take it or what? You know what I mean? Gold or oil, gold or oil. Got kind of a double top going here, so it may be time for a pullback. It's gonna have to push through hard for me to be comfortable there. Yeah, I'm not going long until I see price action above that. You know, I can't have a double top there and be confident. S&P looking like we're gonna come back down now toward those VWAPs. That may impact the rest of these. Not gold. Gold does whatever it wants to do. Holy shit, look at that. Let's put this back at 0. Take profit in that. I guess it's, I don't know, man. I hate to get it. I need to wait for a pullback if I'm going to get in gold. We have to wait for a pullback. A pullback and then a pretty strong symbol of a reversal. I would love to see this. That's where I was talking. Should I get in? You know, I should have got in right there. God almighty, look at that. Gone heavy and just gone in, and then once this happened, this candle validated it. Probably, you know, we get a pullback, then we get this one here. This is where I should have entered more, you know, added another 8 contracts or something. See, okay, now we're getting blue. So far I'm liking gold and oil the most. Let's put this down here. Oil just keeps trucking. But yeah, that makes me nervous. So let's go back to gold and keep our eye on that, because that's the one that I'm waiting for a pullback, and then it needs to go up. Got the double top going. This is a good spot to be right here, probably. Maybe not. Glad I waited. Get that double top going there. We should get a little bit of a pullback and then hopefully a continuation to the upside. What time is it now? It is 17:52. Okay, so here we go. Here's our pullback. Hopefully not a full-on reversal, but if it is, I'd like to catch it and ride it all the way down. Because if we got a reversal happening, guess what? It'll most likely mean this number down to at least the midpoint of the orb. Hopefully, even better would be low of prior, you know, like over here. Look at that. That's a decent level. Absolutely, that's a level to watch out for. That one's a fairly important level. Yeah, I would say right here, somewhere in there. Right there is an important level. Those are pretty decent levels to watch out for. This one especially. You know, we can get rid of this one. What's it doing? Really? Okay. Well, once it breaks up, break through there. We're still not above the double top that concerned me, you know what I mean? Tempting, man, tempting. But I'm not going against this trend, even though it's going down. Honestly, it's probably going down to this area, somewhere in here. I had to guess. I just hate going against the trend. We're above the VWAP. We've got market structure above VWAP. We're in a clear upward trend. So it's kind of risky. It's like added risk, you know. If all those things were the other way around, absolutely I'd be in that short right now. That's a long wick. Interesting. The momentum is to the upside for sure, still, even now. Break that. Still haven't broke that top there, but I think we're about to. Although there's more wick to the upside, which makes me think we're going to range here for a little bit still. We cannot get past this level. What is this level? We're going to do it. We're going through. 325. We're going to almost there. And we're there. We're gonna bounce off it, or we're gonna go through it. 38 seconds in this candle, I think we're gonna go through it. Risky, should I get in it or not? I guess I could go super light and then add to it if maybe 4. Yep, glad I didn't. Now we're gonna go down to this area maybe. Somewhere in here. Hard to say. I'm going to close GeoGuessr. And I've got to find a game I can play that I can play while, like, windowed mode version of it, you know. I could play Among Us, I suppose. I'll plug this in. Where did I put that cord? In here? I think. Right there. Let's go back to the market so we can see what it's doing. Oh, you know what? I actually gotta make a phone call right now. So, I'm just gonna put this on, turn the mic off.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Order filled.
In a world of endless roads, I'm just a wanderer lost, seeking solace in the shadows, paying any cost. From city lights to countryside, I've searched near and far, but in the crowds and quiet, I still haven't found my star. With every step I take, I'm reaching for a sign, but the answers seem to slip away like sand.
Order filled, order filled.
Just a man looking for my place in this world, lost in the rhythms of life, trying to find where I belong. From sunrise to the setting sun, I roam these streets
Stop filled.
alone, but I won't stop searching till I find my home. Through bustling streets and empty alleys, I've walked this lonely road, listening to the melodies of the stories left untold. I've met strangers and lovers, each one a piece of my soul, but still I'm on this journey trying to make myself whole. With every heart I touch, I'm hoping for a sign, but the echoes of the past keep haunting my mind. Just a man looking for my place in this world, lost in the rhythms of life, trying to find where I belong. From sunrise to the setting sun, I roam these streets alone, but I won't stop searching until I find my home. Through bustling streets and empty alleys, I've walked this lonely road, listening to the melody of the stories left untold. I've met strangers and lovers, each one a piece of my soul, but still I'm on this journey trying to make myself whole. With every heart I touch, I'm hoping for a sign, but the echoes of the past keep haunting my mind. Just a man looking for my place in this world, lost in the rhythms of life, trying to find where I belong. From sunrise to the setting sun, I roam these streets alone, but I won't stop searching until I find my home.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, my mic was off. It's still off. Here, let me turn it back off.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Alright. Sorry, that was a lot longer than I thought it would be, but long story short, you know, I say sorry, but you know, anyway, that call is important to me, so anyway. Weird, it keeps acting like it's trying to call back, but I don't think it is. It's weird. Having a little bit of dinner. That would have been a nice little thing to catch right there. Oh well. What about that? We're down on this VWAP. We're gonna. Looks like we are. Or are we gonna reverse now and go up? Kind of hard to say on this one. And I could see it going either way. So overall, I believe I'm up about $440 right now for the night. Which, you know, that's not bad. Especially for never trading Asia session. I have no clue what to expect with it. I don't know, it's like standard behavior and all that. And I was up more into that last trade. I lost my ass. Lost about $100 on it. So that kind of pissed me off. But it is what it is. I mean, you get stopped out sometimes. I'm still overall up, like I said, about $420. If we go lower than this with momentum, I may trade it, but I do think we're just going to go down and come back up, I think. But I don't know. Again, I have no clue because I don't trade Asia session. So that's that 4 o'clock candle everyone swears by. Of course, I don't know if that rule works with damn it, do I get in? It was lower risk, I guess.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. Glad I lowered the contract value on this. It may still go lower though. I don't know though. What do we got? 30 seconds on this one? Come on, drop. There we go. Amazing. +5. Should I take it? Just to cover the cost of this trade. Come on, go lower. Next candle. Let's do it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go lower. There we go. Nope. Push. If it doesn't, I'm getting out. There we go. I can at least break even. Glad I didn't trade it just yet. Should I take the 10? I'll take the 10. I'm just be happy because it's probably going to plummet now. But it just was, again, this is another one of those risky ones. And I'd rather trade safe than sorry, especially on a session that I don't normally trade. I don't know, like I said, the standard behavior of it or anything like that. And I'm trading pretty light. I was only 4 micros in on that one. So I don't know what's up. I guess I have to hit decline. I'm gonna try that and see if that stops it from. This thing is messing up. We're going lower. Yes, we are. No. Yeah, I bet we are. I feel like going 6 short here, but I think it could reverse and test off this and then go lower if anything. Or it might just tank down, we don't know. Do I have section moving ranges? I guess that's what this is, and it's normally red, right? Or no, that's right. I have the Asian one red. The New York is this goldish color, and then blue is the, yeah, okay. Huh, pretty big range, to be honest with you. Okay, so this is the S&P. Let's see what else we got going on. Because that was a little bit iffy. I think we're at like a hard kind of triple bottom here. Actually, it looks like it's going to drop a little now, but I don't know. It's a little iffy. Let's go back to crude, see what we got going on. Nothing too interesting at the moment. This is looking decent. Getting a little bull flag going. If we could just get a little bit further here, maybe right there, and then to go up to at least here, right? But that's a little bit risque. Man, I'd love to get this account up. You know, I'm not even at break even yet. I need to go up a couple hundred to be back at 25, which will be break even. Then I have to go up another 1,500 to be past the buffer zone. You know, and then I wanted at least another 500 on top of that buffer zone. So I want like a 2 grand buffer zone. If they say I need 15, then I really should go for 3, but a minimum of 2 before I start taking any kind of payouts. I think if I have 500 over there, so 2 grand buffer zone, then I can start taking half my profits. So if I make $100, 50 of it can come out, 50 goes back to building that buffer up a little bit more. And I just want to do that until, you know, until I get up a little bit more, so I don't have to deal with that stupid ass trailing drawdown ever again. The downside is that this is a 25k account instead of one of my 151, you know, 150k accounts. So, you know, I mean, yeah. See, now we're going up. Get it if I can. It might be too late. Might get a little bit of it. Let's go on up there to like here somewhere. It'll stop it out.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go probably here, I'd say, maybe. I don't know. I don't know this session. And it's painfully obvious at this point. What do we got? Where were we at on this one? Yeah, here's this with a reversal candle now coming. It'll go back at least to here. I wonder if I should get in it. Probably too late now. I mean, it's not too late, but look, we're not far from there. I could get in right here. Go up. Oh, it didn't go up, so I should just get out then before it does it. I think this will go to there. Probably at least to right around here somewhere. This looks decent. This looks like a good pullback right before. I'd like to see, I really want to see a good doji candle before, like, better than these. I don't like these. I wish these were bigger. But look, I mean, it is working though. I mean, huh. kind of interesting. Oh, there's that. Now if we break that, it'd probably be a decent spot to get in. We're only 5 contracts. We're gonna break that. And it's looking good. Go a little more. Maybe not though. Might be a double top before it drops. I guess I should set like a time to be done. Maybe by 8 be done tonight. I know like with the 10, 11, yeah, probably about 11, between 11 and 12 I'm usually done on the days, you know, on the New York session. So I wonder if that's the same with this. Oh, we did break to the upside there. And then we got a new candle right before that. And now we're getting a reversal type signal though. This one's getting hard to read. This one's saying we're going back down. Although it's to the wrong direction. We have market structure. We would need a pullback. Now watch this pullback. We get something like these. And then we get a doji that size. That's a good signal to go up. Then we're going long. I'm oversizing a bit again. I always do that. Now we're back down a little lower. You know what I mean? That's frustrating. I just want to get over that buffer zone so bad. Yeah, see? We're going right where I said we would. Right up to about here somewhere. That's what I was saying. I knew we would when I saw this one. Because that's such a beautiful setup for that. The question is, are we going to go through the VWAP or bounce off it and go back down to the downside? If we're doing that, I'll go long on it. Catch like a decent long. But if, you know, it's the S&P though, man, I feel like crude moves smoother, but it is what it is. What about the Dow? It's ripping up there, isn't it? We got a W here and right off the VWAP. That's beautiful. That's borderline A plus right there, man. That's like at least an A set up there. I mean, it's too late now. We'd be chasing at this point. There's a very good chance it'll go up to here somewhere, but it's just too risky now. Damn, that would have been a good one to catch. This one's looking like we're going to drop back down. Like I said, we went higher, but then it's going back down to a pullback. Same as this here. It's an interesting level. Do we have anything prior? We do. Look at that. It lines up perfectly to this. Interesting. Yep. There. Interesting. So, most likely, this will reverse off of this, then it'll bounce off it. But there's just not enough volume. It doesn't seem to be like moving at all. It's just sitting still. It's weird. And that's a little creepy. I don't like that. I like it to move a lot, you know, like volatility. I don't want to get stuck in something that's going to just like, oh, give up and then tank down or whatever. Okay, now we're hitting this. Are we going to go through it or bounce off it? It's looking like we're going to do that number. Yep, sure is. Should I do it? Size down a little bit. I can always add to it if I'm right. But if we get in here, maybe go 3 contracts. Or 4 and just lower this to like 6 or less. Because if we go above that VWAP, I know we're wrong, right? I really need something to show me we're actually going to go short here, you know. See, that doesn't inspire confidence. This does. Now it's looking a little better. I went 6 contracts. I don't love that. We got a white candle after it. Now I do. Now I love it. I think it's looking pretty good. If we can get that to be a blue doji and stay a blue doji, then it's going to bounce down. I don't think we're going to go through it anyway because of the lack of momentum we've had. Now we have essentially a double top with those two wicks. I don't know though. It's hard to say. I mean, and I'm not certain, so I'm still not like confident with it. Now I think we're going down, but let's see what this next candle. We got 20 seconds. I should have did it. I think this one is telling us we're going down, man. Do it or what? Yep, do it. I should have done it earlier. Damn it. That didn't go through either. I don't even know what's happened here. Oh, there we go.
Order filled.
Man. Let's put this down here because if it goes back at all, I don't want it anyway. But there, that's good.
Stop filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
Damn it. I was right. I just didn't trust it and didn't go in. That's okay though. I mean, I made a little bit on it. Like $5. God. Okay, if we break lower, I mean, this looks like a really good setup for a good short. And it is.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Damn it.
Order filled.
Need it to drop big time here, and it should. I don't see why it wouldn't. It should go at least like down here, right? Maybe here would be a good, you know. If it goes any further red, I'm just gonna get out because this is behaving all kinds of janky. And now it's white. Yep.
Stop filled.
Fuck! You know. God dang it. What now? A reversal? Is that what we're looking at here with this white kind of doji? We're gonna go back up now? I mean, what the hell? That's a beautiful... It should have gone down. Like here, you know, at least here, you know, maybe twice as far as it did. That's what I'm saying. I hate trading things that are... I don't hate it, but it's... I need to remember, like, I need to remind myself that this is not New York session. The volume profiles are different, all that. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot different here. Yep, I'm gonna set an alarm at 8 o'clock. I'm done. So for me, it's 5. So 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Look at this. Now it's gonna go down. There it goes. That's what I was saying. Well, no, we just doubled. Yeah, now it's going down. Two contracts. Should I go 3? I mean, what's $15, I suppose. I guess I need to just continue to trade smaller like this.
Order filled.
Let's see what it does here.
Stop filled.
$3 or it keep going lower for some reason. I guess because of buying the, you know, what it costs. Making $3 is not enough to cover the cost of the trades, right? 720. I feel like I'm losing money on these. You know what I'm saying? That's why I don't know, man. Maybe this. It's frustrating. And this is the S&P. I need to get the hell off of it. It's like I was doing better when I wasn't trading that. It's too volatile, and I cannot screw with those kind of things right now because I have that stupid intraday bullshit going on. This app, man. Got it. Okay, let's go back to crude and see what it's doing. I don't know. None of these are looking good now. Now I'm like a little iffy, you know? I just feel like there's no more volume anymore. Like everything's kind of done. You know what I mean? Look at this. There's like gaps and stuff. This is a high Kanashi. You from the end, there's still gaps and stuff. So, what time is it now? It is currently 7:30. So it may be like a 5 to 7:30 kind of thing. 5 to 7, 7:30. I'd like to see crude make a move upward here. I don't know. I feel like this is just a pullback, but to this level. But we also do have it breaking that small trend line there. You know what I mean? Not by much though, is it? It's kind of respected it. Maybe I just focus on trend lines. I wonder if how well Asian session does with trend lines, because I like those quite a bit. They've always been pretty reliable. Is that a straight line? Yeah. And just a wick going through, I don't really count that ever. You know what I mean? I say that, I mean, I've got those here, but really we need to go to like a higher time frame to see trend lines. Not by much, maybe a 15-minute, 5 or 15, but or possibly hour. I usually don't go higher than that, like 4 hour or any of that. There it goes, reversing off it. So yeah, it's still respecting it pretty well. That would mean that we're going to go at least to here, right? Should I try it? I guess, what's the harm? Let's go like 2 contracts or something, try it out and see. Well, what are we doing? Are we going to go through that or what? Looks like we might be breaking it now. If we do, I want to go up and then retest it before I would feel comfortable taking anything on this side of it. Yep, we went above it. Now we'll have to retest it and then go up, and then I'd feel better. Golly, look at that level. That's a seriously important level, isn't it? Yes, it is. Has reversals off it a couple times. Just like right here does. Well, actually there it does. So maybe we're at a reversal here. Went up, and that's why it's not really respecting this miniature trend that we got going on there. Let's see what happens. I bet it bounced off it and goes up, because this level is a reversement level. Reversement? Is that a word? I don't know, that's looking pretty good for a short, but because it's an engulfing doji, but who knows though. And it goes up against that top level, so I wouldn't be surprised if it breaks back down below it here. Look at that. Yep, we're going to go up to this level, aren't we? At a minimum to here. If we get past that, I'll be awfully tempted to at least scalp from here to here. And if we do that, I'll want this up more than 2. What are we doing? Man, there's like just this, not a lot of volume here on the Asian session. Okay, it looks like we're gonna go up, to the upside here, but that doesn't seem to be what's happening here. Looks like we're going down actually. So I may not be doing that little scalp movement thing that I wanted to there. Now we're getting a doji to come back down, probably retest this, maybe go over 1 or 2 more and then down before we finally actually retest and go up, would be my guess. But there ain't no telling. Okay, we're on the line. We're going to retest and break through. If it breaks through, it'll go down to at least here, to where my stop loss currently is. Which is what, 4 ticks? I guess so, I guess it goes by 1 cent. Yep, it respected this. This would be a decent buy right here because it's about to go. The next candle is going to go up, I believe. Well, we're down right here. Is this where you should buy? Let's see. No, it went down, and we're breaking through. But is this going to turn out to be just a wick to the bottom and then up, or what? What do we got going on? $35, $7.35. Yeah, it's going to go back up. It's going to respect this line, and it's going to go up to at least here. Well, a minimum of this one for sure, but likely here. So what is that? That's at 98. No, yeah, 98. So it's 4 ticks to that, and then 7 there. So we could get a 10 tick move if I bought here. It's a little risky, but I mean, yeah, you got 60 on the risk there. Honestly, I'm tempted to put the stop loss up to like, yeah, I don't want to lose more than 15 on it. You know, I'm thinking of going 1, and if it goes down, then so be it. I don't think it is. I think if I buy, it's a safe buy here. I think it's going to go up next. It's kind of a gamble though, and I don't really want to do that with this account. Yep, it would have been fine. Should have done it. I think we're going up. Yeah, see, should have bought it. Well, like I said, I'll get more confident with the Asia session. So it looks like they respect trend lines on oil on the Asia session. So that's good to know. I mean, you would think that it does. You know, most of the market does. That's why they're so popular. But just can't be confident if you've never traded it and don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have no idea. So. Okay, we're basically at that level that I said if we break through, we're going to go to here, and then if we break through that, we'll go to here. Yep, we are at that level right here. We were just a second ago. See? It's a good place for a short. Man, we bounced off and went down, didn't we? Golly, look at that. What a beautiful move there. I hate ranging days. I hate trading ranges. You know, I need the volatility to trade. And now back down. Producing another trend line, actually. Looks like. faster. It didn't really wind up like I thought it might. Yeah, I don't know, nothing's looking good anymore. That was short-lived, man. I mean, I'm up overall. I think I was at 24. I don't know. I'll have to watch the video to see where I was when I started. I'm up maybe $100 now. Was it 420? I think it was 420 I started. 24, 420. So yeah, so I'm up like $300. You always try and get that last trade, you know what I mean? That brings you down. Because I was up 5 at one point. But this is all so funky looking, like it's hard to know, you know, it just doesn't look right. Those line up perfect, don't they? Well, let's see what this does. What is this, gold? So far, gold's been the trustworthy companion tonight. Oh, dude, check it out. Yeah, that's that line I said. Said we would go up to that one and then reverse it, didn't I? Or break through and go to this one. Yep. Called it. So it's a little bit, I mean, it is predictable, which is good. Now look at this though, this is a decent line. Makes me think it's gonna reverse right where we're at. Yep, I wouldn't be surprised. Yep, it's gonna go here, it's gonna go back. Then what, are we going up to here or what? I mean, what's the goal of this, you know what I mean? Looks like that one also has a, like if we were to go from here with this one, or here, this one. Interesting. And we're going up. Now we're going past that line. Let's see what happens. Not much though. And if you go with this one and this one, let's see what happens. Yeah, it's right to it. So well, I haven't had any glitches today, which is nice. They haven't royally screwed me like they have been lately. I guess tomorrow I'll try and contact customer service and tell them, you know, you cost me my 150K account. I was up like, I don't remember, $800 or something like that, but I could not exit the trade no matter what I did. It wouldn't let me. I clicked everything. I went to trade evade on here. I tried it. I tried buying, you know, I tried everything I could think of doing, and just would not let me out of the trade until I was negative to the point that it cost me that eval on a 150K account. You know, it's a lot of money they screwed me out of there. I've seen that happened with Patrick Whelan once, where one time he made like over 100 grand on a trade, but for me, every time that's happened, it's only been, I'm able to go in, but it's only screwed me. It's only cost me money, you know what I mean? It's never made me money, you know? Like to retest it a little bit because we didn't get past really any major levels here, but it looks like it's going to push, doesn't it?
Order filled. Stop filled.
Well, we made a little bit there.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Wow,
Stop
you
filled.
fucking loser ass. Ah, you son of a bitch, man. That's such bullshit. And now it'll fucking go down. Ah, that makes me so mad. Because when I hit buy, it started me at like negative 24. I hit buy, it didn't go. It was past it already. And then on its way back up is when it filled the order. And now I'm down. I'm gonna fuck around and break even, still be below. I swear to God. I'm so mad right now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
I don't like what I'm seeing there. It's quite a lot of pressure to go to the upside there. Got 18 seconds on this clock, on this candle. And I've only got about 5.5 minutes left to trade. This is our upside move here, but do I risk it? Dude, I don't know, man. I think we're going to go up and retest over there. So I probably could make a quick little scalp here. But I don't want to counter trend trade. Of course, you go on a big enough time frame like the 15, and I think we're probably on the upside. Yeah, I should have got in it. But like I said, I don't want to. I'd rather trade safe than sorry. I'm still up 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm up $327, something like that. Which, as much as it sucks, that's the way you have to do it. I mean, slow and steady. I would like to see it hit here, reverse, and get one last good scalp to the downside with, like, you know, a decent amount of contracts. Try it. Let's go 17. Because I feel like this is where we reverse and we'll go down. We might get one more white candle like that, and then if we can get a blue doji, like a big one, that's going to show me we're going to go back down now. Man, that'd be beautiful. I'd love to take it. It's respecting this trend line. I'd like to bounce off that and then go major down. You know, that's really what needs to happen here. I mean, it needs to happen. And if that does happen, you know, I'm gonna bring this way lower, like there. 7 tick stop loss. We're gonna go with a 40, maybe a 50-point move. All right, now bounce off of this. Good. Give me a engulfing doji, blue, something like this. And I want it off this red candle. I don't want to bounce off the blue one. I want to bounce off the red one. And then I know we're going to go down to at least over here somewhere. Do we have any other major move? Yeah, probably here. Honestly, somewhere right around there will be my take profit area. No, don't go up. Come on. So far so good. There's the blue. Give me the doji that I want. Come on. This is looking good. Do what I want. There's the doji. No.
Order
Hopefully I
filled.
didn't go too early. Get down there, get down there. Good, keep going. There's 75. Move to stop. Don't stop me out. Keep going.
Stop filled.
Fuck. Well, I still made 75 there. And it's not too late because I think we're going to go down here. What are we at? 16 seconds on this one? And right about now's a good time.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. Drop down. Come on. Nope. Go back. There we go. 230. Keep going. Oh God, no. Don't do this again. I can't get out. Hear that clicking button? That's me trying to get out of the trade.
Stop filled.
It hit a stop. What did we get? We're at 530. So somehow I lost money. What the actual fuck? How did that happen? Oh, I hate this fucking program, man. How the fuck did that happen? You'll hear me clicking when I'm like $300 up. I'm so mad. Holy fuck, I'm having problems galore here.
Order filled. Order filled.
No, you
Order
motherfucker.
filled.
I was in it. Yeah.
Stop filled.
Don't you do it.
Stop filled.
God, I'm having the worst fucking luck here.
From city lights to countryside, I've searched near and far, but in the crowds and quiet, I still haven't found my star. With every step I take, I'm reaching for a sign, but the answers seem to slip away like sand through time. Just a man looking for my place in this world, lost in the rhythms of life, trying to find where I belong. From sunrise to the setting sun, I roam these streets alone.
God damn it, man. God damn it. I was right.
Order filled. Order filled.
There's $22.
I've walked this lonely road,
Order filled.
to the melodies of the stories left untold. I've met strangers and lovers, each one a piece
Stop
of
filled.
soul, but still I'm on this journey trying to make
Order
myself
filled.
whole. With every heart
God damn it. God fucking damn it. Well, whatever. Unbelievable, man. I hate being right and still losing. Hate when that happens. I don't mind when I'm like, it's gonna go up and then this happens. But when I said what's gonna happen, it happens, and then the stupid thing does that lockout deal again where I can't fucking exit a trade. I'm gonna send this video to them. I mean, it's on video. Look at this shit. Look at, God damn it. Could have been, I could be in the profit galore here. but it screwed me. It threw everything off, and it fucked me out of everything I was supposed to have made today. All my profits gone. I'm in the red from where I was when I started. I'm now $100 lower than when I started, when I was up like fucking $500 today. You know what I mean? So fucking mad right now. And it's because of this shithole program they use that only locks you out when you get screwed, you know? Never will it lock me into making a fucking $100,000 like every other people this happens to, supposedly. But for me, it only does it to the downside. I guess I should be thanking my lucky stars it didn't screw me out of having the whole, like I haven't lost the account yet. Give me a time, let me take one more trade out so it can fucking do that to me. How can you possibly win if they lock you out and make you lose? How can you possibly do it? You know? It's so infuriating. I spent money to buy these accounts and then they fucking steal your money from you, you know, by making these programs not work. You saw on here, it's what I said is what happened. You know what I mean? You heard the clicking, right? You heard me doing that number on the fucking mouse for sell button, which, you know, or exit trade button. It wasn't doing it. Just said, no, fuck you. We want to steal your money. We're not going to let you make our money. Don't be stupid. We're going to take your money. And so that's what happened there. God, I'm so mad. I just can't believe it. I'm so fucking mad right now. It's like 1,000,000 degrees in here. Probably because I'm so pissed off. God, I cannot believe this shit. I just want...
Filled. Order filled.
God, it's so annoying. Let's put this down to like $100 and try and make $100 at a pop, I guess. I don't know what else to do. Yes, I'm done for the day. It's 8 o'clock. God, I should have been done earlier. I cannot believe that shit happened again. I don't know if I can use Take Profit Trader. I'm gonna post this. I'm gonna get this spot, whatever, dealt with. And I'm going to make sure like the world knows what happens if you use them. And what I mean by that is, do they fix it when they fuck you on accident, or is it on purpose and they don't and they just take your money? And if that's the case, I'm gonna make it my life's goal. I will. It's the hill I will die on, to share it with the world what happens if you trade with them. Because this is like the 4th or 5th time this has happened to me, and it's cost me, I mean, nothing crazy, you know what I mean? I'm down what, less like $80. I'm down $80 overall, but I was up fucking more than that today. I was up like $400 when $400 when this happened, you know? It's such dog shit that this happens. I don't understand. My internet connection's good, everything's good. There's no reason. There's absolutely no fucking reason for that. You know what I mean? That's not, you can't trade. You can't trade if you can't exit the trade when you want to. That is the definition. You decide when you buy and when you sell, right? But I don't get to decide that. I just put my money in and then they tell me when. And the weird thing is, they stand to profit if I fuck up, right? So you see what's happening here. You know what I mean? I hope they make this right. And if they do, I will gladly tell everyone in the world what is going on. That yes, 100% that's good. I'll try to become an affiliate and grow my channel just to promote their company if they make it right. But if they fuck me, then I am going to absolutely make it my life's mission to tell the whole world with video evidence what happened. God, I wish just saying I'm mad doesn't cover it. You know what I mean? You could be the best trader on the planet, but if you're not able to execute trades when you decide you want to, it's completely irrelevant. You cannot win. That is, you have to be able to rely on your programs. Period. I mean, you have, that's it. That's everything. I mean, granted, I didn't have to take those other trades afterwards, but I can control my emotion trading. What I can't control my emotion is when I get fucked by this program randomly, you know, 3, 4, 5 times in a row where it costs me and it puts me in negative. It's not like it's a random fucking thing here. I'm seeing a pattern develop, right? It's what traders do. You learn patterns. Well, there's a pretty fucking clear pattern here that when I stand to lose a bunch of money, they lock you out of a trade. And guess what happens? I now have to either buy a new trade from them, giving them money, buy a reset, you know, buy a new account, buy a reset, somehow give them money. That's what happens here. For the ability to paper trade and lose at that because of the way they're doing it. Even though I'm right, I called what was going to happen. You saw, you know, everything was good. Unbelievable, man. Unfucking believable. It's unbelievable. I'm so fucking mad. God, I'm mad. Well, I'll probably make this video private until I get a hold of them and figure out what to do. And then if they don't make this right, I'm gonna fucking go major public with it. So I will just spend my days off work, everything, anywhere I can promote the video. I will send it to every fucking email list. I'll get a hold of black market people and figure out if I can acquire email lists and email it out to them. Anyone who's ever thought about trading as a joke, I'll send this fucking video to. So
order filled.
I have learned that it happens when I pull my stop. Of course, can't fucking win. I could put this down to one contract. I don't know. Anyway, I'm done for the day. I'm done for the fucking day. God almighty. Watch, now it'll do what I said. It'll probably tank down. Longest candle in gold's fucking trading history to the downside now that I'm stopped out. Anyway, God, I hope you all are having a better day than me. It has been a bad day trading. It's not even that. It's not been a bad day trading. It was a good day trading and I was up. It's that this fucking program screwed me again. And I don't understand why I continue to trade with this dog shit after this is the 5th fucking time this has happened to me. You know what I mean? Like, I guess I like getting fucked over. I don't know. God, I'm mad, man. I'm so fucking mad. I wouldn't care if it was over $1 goddamn dollar. It's the principle, you know? Alright. Well, that's that. I need to find a death metal playlist for times like this because this music is not fitting the vibe. Alright. I'll keep y'all posted. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with Take Profit Trader. Until next time.